Here's a Python tip that can dramatically clean up your nested loops. If you have ever written nested loops that made your code look like a staircase, this one's for you. Let's say you are creating a simple multiplication table. The traditional approach would be to write nested loops like this. Now this code works perfectly fine, but take a closer look at the structure. We have two levels of indentation here, and our variables x and y are defined in completely separate statements. As our loops get more complex, this nesting creates what we call arrow code, where your code keeps marching to the right with deeper and deeper indentation. Here's how we can clean this up using itertoools.product. Look at that. We have completely flattened our nested structure into a single clean loop. Notice how x and y are now defined together in one statement. This makes it immediately clear that they are related variables. The logic is identical, but the code is much more readable and easier to follow. So why is this approach superior? Nested loops force us to mentally track multiple levels of iteration, and this creates visual noise with all that indentation. With itertoools.product, it's crystal clear that we want every possible combination of these two lists. But here's where this technique really shines. When we need 3 or more dimensions, instead of writing deeply nested loops like this, we can flatten everything into one beautiful line. Now that's going from 3 levels of nesting down to just 1. Much easier to read and understand at a glance. Now here's the key takeaway. Whenever you need all combinations of independent iterables, use itertoools.product instead of nested loops. Your code will be flatter and more expressive. This is especially useful for grid operations, coordinate systems, and any Cartesian product scenarios.